Hi guys, welcome back to yoga. My name is Zoe, and today we just have a quick spine health flow, which you can do totally seated in a chair or on a mat. So today we're going to start in a head over heart over pelvis position, meaning that our spine is stacked nice and tall. Starting with some seated cat-cows here, we're going to inhale to arch our back and bring those shoulder blades together. On our exhale, we dome that back, bring those shoulder blades apart, maybe slightly tucking that chin. So take a few at your own pace here. Again, moving with that breath. Inhale into cow, exhale to cat. You can make these a little bit longer or take them at whatever pace feels comfortable for you. Just moving through those different spinal movements, the doming and the arching. Moving on here, we're just going to move through some side stretches. So we'll inhale both those arms overhead. Exhale, we'll take that left arm down to our side. Our right arm's extended long overhead. Inhale, both arms are back overhead and switch sides. So this one's pretty simple. Taking as long as you want in each posture. I took one breath cycle, so one inhale followed by one exhale. But you can hang out a little longer in these if that's comfortable. Alright, heading on to some neck stretches here. We're going to extend that right arm over towards our left ear. Option 1, keep that free hand in our lap. Option 2, walk it out a couple inches to your side. You'll feel that stretch deepen through your neck, through your shoulder. You can take as long as you want again in these stretches. But when you're ready, switching to that opposite side. And remember, you have that same option to keep that hand in your lap or walk it out to your side. Alright, similar to that seated cat-cow, let's exhale here, dome that back, interlace those fingers, and bring our palms facing us, push away through those arms. Hold for a couple breaths. And then we'll inhale. We can either flip those wrists with those palms facing away, or we can reach those arms around back like we're holding an invisible beach ball. Both motions are fine, whatever's comfortable for you, just making sure we're bringing a slight arch to that back. Next, we'll find a cross stretch here. So crossing that left leg over our right. Option 1, stay right there with a tall back. Option 2, take that opposite arm to the outside of our knee and open our chest through the side, taking a few good breaths here to settle in. And then switching sides here. Again, you can take this option 1 right here, or option 2, we can find that cross body stretch opening through our side. Alright, kicking both legs out long, spines tall. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, reach for those feet for a seated forward fold. So with this one, your hands might fall at your shins, ankles, on your feet or past them. Wherever they fall is fine, just don't stretch so far to the point of pain. This one should be a nice deep stretch, but nothing uncomfortable. And we'll inhale to walk those hands up. Bringing the soles of our feet together for a butterfly posture. We're going to gently lean forward at our hips, imagining we're looking into like a reflective pool of water in front of us. So we want to see our reflection but not fall in. So just taking this healthy angle at our hips here, that back should stay flat. Alright, taking some spinal rotations here, so those legs are out long. We're just going to take inhales each direction, exhale the opposite direction. Those arms can come floating to your side or overhead, whatever's comfortable. Just gentle twists open to each side here. Next, we're going to head to cat-cows. If you're seated, just go back to our seated cat-cows. But if you're in tabletop, we're going to inhale, drop that belly, our back arches, gazes forward. And on our exhale, we dome our back, tuck our chin for our cat pose. So take a few at the pace of your breath, making sure those hands are stacked right under our shoulders and those knees are stacked right under our hips here. This is a great one to find organic movement with. You can find some hip bumps here, some neck rolls. Alright, and we are just going to finish up here with some gentle neck rolls. So, remembering that the neck is a very important part of the spine, so when we think of spinal health, we do not neglect the neck. So just taking some rotations, bringing that chin to chest, back of the head towards back of the neck. Make sure we switch directions at some point. And if you feel any tension in a particular point, just hold there for a moment, send some breath there, and then keep on moving. Alright, y'all, that was our spinal health flow. Thanks so much for joining. Again, you can do this totally seated, whatever's comfortable. Bye.